Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how I use my Jade roller tool here for the sinus area to really help relieve any sinus congestion. We're going to do a little bit of massage with this roller and then finish off with the all-important lymphatic drainage release so we can release all the toxins and waste and congestion from this area. Now, first things first, I do like to start with clean skin. I'm using a little bit of facial oil for a bit of slip and glide. Not completely necessary, but I just quite like to almost double bubble in a way, because of course, whatever you apply onto your skin is going to penetrate into skin as well. So I'm just applying just by the side of the nose and also under the eyes, the cheekbones, side of the ears, down the side of the neck. So what we're going to do first, we're going to take the top part here, the small part, and we're literally from the bridge of the nose, we're just very gently working our way upwards. And this is a light pressure. Now, this will also help calm the nervous system as well, this area. We'll just do this a few more times. You can do this morning or evening, or if you're feeling slightly congested. And then with the larger parts here, I'm working from the literally between the third eye, above the eyebrows towards the temples here. Now we're going to start from the top and we're going to work our way down. So again, just very lightly moving any pressure. And then on the other side. Now, if you don't have one of these tools, I will actually put a link in the description box down below on my channel if you're interested in buying one. But they're fairly inexpensive and they last a very long time. And one last time here. So now let's start working along this part in this area. So again, I'm taking the smaller parts here and we're going to work between the eyebrows and literally under the eye. So first of all by the side of the nose and then working under the eye where the bone is towards the side of the head. And almost working an upwards motion again towards the side of the head and almost the temples in a way. You can feel things moving at this point. I can. Eyes already watering. And one last time. And then on the other side. Okay, bridge of the nose. And again, this is a very light touch here because the skin around the eyes is very delicate. We say your eyes may start to water. You might start to feel like you want to blow your nose as you can feel things moving around. And what we're doing, we're actually moving, as well as congestion, toxins and waste within the lymph. Okay, just very gently by the side of the eye, along the bone towards the temples. So now with the smaller parts again, working on the other side, we're working down the side of the nose towards now the nostril here. Gliding everything down. And then with the larger part under the cheekbone towards the ears. And this is a light to medium touch now. So moving everything along under the cheekbone towards the ears. And one last time. And then again on the other side, using the smaller parts here, again just working almost the bridge of the nose, along the nose area towards the nostril here. Light touch. Again, you may want to swallow as you can feel things literally moving whilst you're doing this. And then we're using the larger part from the nostril under the cheekbone towards the ears. And again, this is a light to medium touch now. I like to use my finger as an anchor, not necessary, but I quite like to use that. So again, just very gently gliding under that cheekbone, moving everything along. And then we're going to take the larger part again, and we're going to work in front of the ear, gliding down where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then behind the ear. Again, this is a light to medium touch. And then you want to work all the way down the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. So basically the side of the neck down towards the collarbone here. And then on the other side, again, placing the larger part, and we're just working down the side of the ear here. Plenty of lymph nodes. And then behind the ear. Again, plenty of lymph nodes in this area. And then working down that big, whoops, hair getting caught, the big SCM muscle down to the collarbone. And this is a light touch. And then once we've done that, from the chin all the way down where our collarbone is, we have a couple of indentations if you like. And if you can just give these a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins, waste and congestion within the eye area, the nasal area, into the body, ready for elimination. A great final lymphatic drainage release. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it really useful. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing, and a thumbs up if you found the video useful. Again, I will leave a link in the description box down below if you don't have one of these amazing tools. And I really look forward to seeing you in the next one. Oh, and almost comment down below as well. Tell me any other facial massage exercises or lymphatic drainage, facially wise, you'd like me to share with you. And I look forward to seeing you then. Okay, bye.